Naomi Osaka is a professional tennis player who represents Japan. Osaka has been ranked No. 1 by the Women's Tennis Association, is the first Asian player to hold the top ranking in singles. She has won 5 titles on the WTA Tour, including 2 titles at both the Grand Slam and Premier mandatory levels. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love Naomi Osaka, watch this video to end and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell button for more updates. Naomi Osaka biography. Real name Naomi Osaka. Nickname Naomi. Occupation professional tennis player. Ethnicity multiracial. Zodiac sign Libra. Date of birth October 16, 1997. Age 22 years. Place of birth Chuo Ward, Osaka, Japan. Residence Boca Raton, Florida, United States. Religion Christianity. Education Naomi Osaka went to the Almond Aldin Terrace Primary School. She got enrolled at the Broad Virtual High School. Net worth she has an estimated net worth of $8 million US. Brand endorsement Naomi Osaka has inked an endorsement deal with Address. Best known for being one of the best Japanese female tennis players. Manager Naomi Osaka is represented by IMG. First tennis match. In 2013, she played her first tennis match. Naomi Osaka tennis career. Playing style right-handed two-handed backhand. Turned pro September 2013. Current ranking Nong 10 March 16 2020. Country sports Japan. Coach William Feste 2020 till now. Tour finals ARA 2018-2019. Naomi Osaka family. Father Leonard Francis. Mother Tamaka Osaka. Siblings Maria Osaka. Older sister professional tennis player. Naomi Osaka physical state. Body types athletic. Height 1.80 meter 5 feet 11 inch. Weight 69 kg or 152 IBS. Eye color dark brown. Hair color dark brown. Naomi Osaka interesting fact. When she was 3 years old, her family moved to United States and decided to settle down in Florida. She took early tennis training at Harlow Solomon Institute, Florida Tennis SBT Academy, and Pro World Tennis Academy. As she has dual Japanese and American citizenship, she was courted by the both Japan Tennis Association and American Tennis Association. However, her father decided to register her with the formal as he felt that they were offering her better support and assistance. In November 2015, Naomi managed to win her first WTA final as she emerged victorious at the Rising Star Invitational Exhibition Tournament. In January 2016, she made her Grand Slam debut at the Australian Open. She managed to reach the third round of the tournament, where she was defeated by the former champion Victoria Azarenka in a straight set. 2016, she was voted as the Newcomer of the Year and was honored for the same at WTA Awards. At the start of 2018, Naomi changed her coach and hired Alenska Bajin. By the summer, she also started training at Ever Tennis Academy in Boca Raton, Florida. In March 2018, she grabbed worldwide attention as she managed to defeat Serena Williams in the first round of the Miami Open. In September 2018, she defeated Madison Keys in a straight set in the semifinals of the US Open. With her semifinals victory in the 2018 US Open, she became the first Japanese female player to reach a Grand Slam final. Naomi Osaka favorite things: Idol Serena Williams, City Tokyo, Pump Up song Crisis by Rich Brent featuring 21st Savage. Naomi Osaka's social media: Naomi Osaka Facebook followers 158,000 plus. Naomi Osaka Instagram followers 1.1 million plus. Naomi Osaka house: Naomi Osaka lives in a luxury house which is located in Boca Raton, Florida, United States.